Section 4.5 Factor Trinomials. Objective 1. Factor trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c. First of all, we'll look at the example x plus 3 and x plus 4 multiply each other. So how do we do this? I'm going to do FOIL. So I will do x times x is I'm going to show the work, okay, and then x times 4, then 3 times x, then 3 times 4. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is the same as 4x. X times 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now we will combine like terms, so we get 7x plus 12. The second example, we want to look at the factor. If the question asks us to factor x squared plus 7x plus 12, and you already see the answer from the x squared plus 7x plus 12, the answer is supposed to be x plus 3 times x plus 4. So how do we do the opposite direction? So I will begin from the parentheses, the two parentheses, and the step we need to do is here 1, 2, and 3. From step number 1, you look at the x squared. How do we get this x squared? Is come from x times x, and x times x is in the first position of each parenthesis. Now the second step is 12. Now we look at the 12. 12 comes from 3 times 4, and 3 and 4 is in the second location of each parenthesis. And then we have plus and plus. You may ask the question like, how do I know 3 and 4? But 12 we can have like 2 times 6 or 1 times 12. So we will answer that question by looking at example number 1, and we will do the two parentheses also. And the step is 1 at x squared, 2 at 12, and 3 at 8x. Another, to get x squared, we should have x times x. So now the 12, I should not use 3 and 4, because if I use 3 and 4, the answer that I already got before is x squared plus 7x plus 12. So in this case, I will choose 2 times 6. And now we multiply inside and inside. This is represent for I, and outside, so 6x. Now we add them up, and we got the answer is 8x, and that is step number 3, is matching step number 3. So we should have plus for both 2 and 6.